La Filotecnica was born in 1974 with a primary focus on tool regrinding. Over the years, we have diversified our business operations, evolving into a robust enterprise with 40 years of invaluable experience. We proudly offer a comprehensive array of services. This includes precision milling using 3 or 5-axis CNC machines of varying sizes, turning facilitated by 4-axis CNC machines, surface grinding, section and cylindrical grinding for both external and internal components, wire and sinker EDM machining, micro drilling, and dimensional control of mechanical parts. Furthermore, we meticulously provide test certificates for all our completed projects. Our newest machine produces and regrinds rotationally symmetrical tools in a single clamping cycle. This new machine permits to work with a range of diameters from 3 to 315 millimeters. Machining lengths can be up to 520 millimeters and weighed up to 50 kilograms. CORE helps us make your production fit for the digital future and establishes the technical foundation for this and other IoT and data applications. Driven by a passion for excellence, we live in the present, keeping an eye on the future, with our team and our over 2,000 square meter resources at the disposal of our valued customers. We handle small and large orders with equal efficiency and high-quality product to give solid guarantee of reliability for the customer.